अरे मार घुट और बोल.
We had a break, go to Haji Ali, get us that Sitafal cream to set.
Shamelessly saying this, no one expected him to do so good.
You're watching us on Bollywood now.
फटाफट. There is a character.
Played by Orithro.
Me.
Yeah.
Devanshu, how can we suggest?
Yeah, has to be him. Has to be.
How can anyone else come with some of the directors there? मरना है क्या? I will give it to two people, and I'm not saying this because they are present here, but I'll give a good reason. EPR and Prabdeep both. EPR got this from everyone on set. EPR got this from everyone on set. Shamelessly saying this, no one expected him to do so good. He was just killing it every scene. And Prab, because obviously I can't imagine suddenly walking into a studio and start making songs. I would have freaked out. He did such a good job just walking into set and doing a good song.
All that's really kind, man. Like, come on.
Devanshu. You especially drive when we had a break, go to Haji Ali, get us that Sitafal cream to set.
Love.
More retakes.
बोल दो. Safe.
अरे मार घुट और बोल.
Xander.
Me. Not lines, full script.
Kumar Varun.
Oh yeah.
He's a stand-up comedian by profession.
You couldn't stop laughing around.
There was no rap battle, but there were a lot of small little ciphers. I don't know if Prab was there. Prab was there in Delhi, but Bombay में भी हो रहा था.
Climax के shoot.
हाँ?
Climax
shoot पे we had a couple of people from the scene who were there. I don't know their names.
From Delhi.
But they all were from Delhi, and small little break, and they used to break out in a.
In the middle of the night. They would
Middle of
just
the
go
night,
da, da,
4
da,
a.m.
da, da, da. नहीं. I think Saloni Patel.
Ah, yes. Yes.
उसके सबसे रोने वाले scenes थे. The most depressing, horrible, you know, that those kind of scenes. Frustrated, she's angry, always livid, always grumpy. The character, and she would be like, हाँ करें, हाँ चलो हाँ करते हैं. Batra was the most serious in the nicest way because she was always on her toes and she had always the right questions to ask, and she was the most honest, authentic when it came to, you know, ये वाला हम क्या सोच रहे हैं. And she wouldn't be like, मैं ऐसा सोच रही हूँ, तुम बताओ तुमको क्या. No fashion, no jargon there. And there was one more character who was very serious, Sanghamitra.
Oh yeah.
Because she came in last moment.
Yeah.
She jumped on the ship last moment. There was a crisis and she bailed us out, which is why she had a lot of questions and she was very concerned ki, am I doing it the right way, and therefore too many questions, and therefore she was serious. But yeah. These are the people who are serious about their work and you like it.
I particularly think the scene or the days when we were shooting Moj ka performance, the opening sequence of the series where he's performing on stage, I think that was very, very. I think that is something I'll remember for a very long time. That setting, the number of people, the way he was dressed, which is a good dialogue in the series itself. I think वो 3 दिन में शुरुआत में इतनी ज़्यादा conversations हो गई थी that everything was established. Okay, this is why we are doing the show.
Yeah.
मेरे को पूछ रहा है कि ये क्या है और झालर दे दे ये वो. you know, from the first line, we knew that you're not into this, but you have to do this. It was a beautiful set. It was larger than life, and it looked beautiful. And it was a chaotic sequence to shoot, but I had a lot of fun.
There were a couple of scenes. One scene where I had to break down, and one more scene where I had to give it back to one of the characters. After which Devanshu came. He would always appreciate all his artists and motivate them. But he especially came to me and he hugged me and he was like, "Batra yaar, tune rula diya yaar, maza aa gaya." So that was like, wow, thank you. Coming from my director, it means a lot to me. So I loved it.
Two moments. First is the big stage setup where I'm doing the crowd surf. Funny moment when somebody was teaching me how to crowd surf. I'm like, bro, the reference got मेरे वीडियो से निकाला reference, मेरे को पता है कैसे करना है. And they failed.
And then he choreographed it.
Yeah, I'm like, रुक मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. Very much fun. Because this was the first time I did it while planned. Crowd surf. Second moment is me, AT and Devanshu in a studio. Very high vibrational session. We were buzzing. I remember, I clearly remember, yes, this is it.
For me, there was this one scene where I had my character had to celebrate his birthday. Rudra had to celebrate his birthday. For one millisecond or something like that, I got zoned out. And I thought that this was real. And I looked around like that, and then I came, no, this shot is being taken. And just a few days later, my birthday was celebrated on the set as well. So both the moments were really, really special to me.
That's a very cute sequence though. Rudra's birthday. It has come out really well. By the time these boys had bonded.